Hey guys, with you is Isaac here with Athens Ford, and I will be presenting to you guys a 2018 Ford Explorer. Now the one that I'm driving right now is an XLT. I'm actually very excited because this is the first video that I get to do in English. Usually I do them in Spanish, and so thank you Athens Ford for allowing me to do one in English. All right, so let's get rocking and rolling, So for the 2018, there's a lot of similarities with the 2017. Of course, from the front to the back, not a lot has changed, but one main thing that really has changed is the safety features in it. So what I mean by the safety features, it's got adaptive cruise control, which is very cool. You can follow a vehicle at a certain speed, set your cruise control on, and if the vehicle in front of you slows down, your Explorer is actually going to slow down along with it, which is an awesome feature. So another awesome feature about the 2018 Ford Explorer is that it comes with the safety package. It'll come with the collision warning with brake support. What that does is as soon as you get close to hitting a vehicle, it'll warn you on the dash that you need to apply the brakes. If the person fails to do so, what your Explorer is actually going to do is it's going to hold on and it's going to pre-charge the brakes and make it to where at least it's a minimal damage, which is great. That's the difference between a broken arm and a whole fractured body. So that's an awesome feature that is now integrated in the 2018s. Now, of course, with the safety package, you also get the blind spot monitoring system. So it'll actually detect vehicles that are around in your blind areas, and it'll light up on the side mirrors, which is very cool. Another awesome detail about it is that it comes with rain sensing windshield wipers and also the high beams, so that it will turn on and turn off whenever it is that you come across like a vehicle or a wall. And it's very neat to actually get to see them work. Honestly, going through the woods here in Athens and in the areas where it's kind of dark, they work excellent. And you can really, it's just a feature that you're like, man, I wish I had this in my vehicle. If you don't really have it, so it's definitely something you guys got to test drive, check it out, and see, and give us feedback on what you think. All right, so with the Explorer, of course, it seats 7 people, including the driver and the front passenger, which is awesome. The third row I thought was very neat because it actually folds down completely if you don't really need the third row. A lot of times with holidays coming up, of course, you might need a little bit more space to be able to buy extra items and whatnot, and you might not be carrying your whole family during these shopping events. So an awesome feature that the Explorer offers is, of course, the third row folds down, gives you that flat space so you can fit a little bit more items in there. But of course, it's very useful whenever it's summertime, you guys go on a vacation and you got the kids, you got maybe, your brother or sister's kids with you as well, and you got family. It's just a great vehicle all the way around. Whether, you only have 2 kids, 1 kid, and, ballpark ranges up to 7 passengers, which is awesome. It's very sweet. Gas mileage isn't too terrible on it. There is 3 different engine sizes, so you can check them out, see which one will fit best your needs, and then go from there. So that being said, 2018 is an awesome year to look forward to, and definitely be looking around for the 2018 Explorers here at Athens Ford. Feel free to come by, stop, and just check them out. So guys, this is Isaac with Athens Ford, and just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, and definitely give it like, share for anybody who's looking to be in the market for a Ford Explorer, especially 2018. If there's any questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call. You can call Athens Ford Store. You can reach me on my cell phone number, which is 406-565-6614. Call, text, email, whichever ones you guys prefer. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.